You are exhausted, so you bought another escape, but waking up still feels like a stone on your chest. You scroll through retreats. You buy bath bombs and empty rituals, but you are still drained. You do not need more self-care. You need Manasa Tapas. This is a mental discipline written down 5,000 years ago. It overrides every product modern wellness tries to sell you. The modern world tells you peace is a commodity. They say you must buy serenity to survive your stress. You take the expensive spa weekend. You download the premium meditation app. You drink the imported herbal tea. But what happens on Monday morning? The heavy exhaustion returns. Why? Because these are treatments for the surface. They do not touch the root of your fatigue. They tell you to buy rain from a passing cloud to fill your life. But your mind is a deep, silent well. The well is already full of water. You are just choking it with the mud of endless desires. Buying rain will not clear this mud. It only creates a temporary, muddy puddle on the surface. True restoration cannot be purchased. It must be excavated. The Bhagavad Gita speaks of a concept called Manasa Tapas. This means the austerity of the mind. It is the practice of serenity, silence, and self-control. You are a warrior in this modern world. You have heavy duties. If you collapse, the people around you suffer. Your family loses your light. Your purpose shatters. You cannot fight your daily battles if your mind is chaotic. You think rest is simply turning your brain off. True rest is actually cleaning the water. Serenity is not a lavender bath bomb. Serenity is the deliberate removal of mental noise. Silence is not an empty room. Silence is stopping the endless arguments in your head. Self-control is not a strict punishment. Self-control is refusing to let the mud stir. When you look into a well, agitated water reflects only chaos. Calm water reflects the infinite sky. Your mind is that water. You must stop dropping stones into it. The wellness industry sells you golden stones, but a golden stone still agitates the water. Manasa Tapas is the fierce discipline of stillness. It is the choice to sit by your well. You let the mud sink to the bottom. You do not force the mud down. You simply stop stirring it. This is your absolute duty. You must stabilize your mind for the mission ahead. You are not just seeking personal relief. You are forging internal armor. You cannot buy a clear mind at a store. It is built through daily, quiet discipline. You do not need to travel for peace. Peace is the natural state of the water. Just let the stirring stop. Here is your practice for the next 24 hours. You will not buy a single thing. You will not consume any new media. When the deep exhaustion hits, do not reach for a distraction. Do not reach for a soothing product. Go to a quiet place alone. Sit straight in a chair. Close your eyes. Visualize the deep well inside of you. See the muddy water spinning in the dark. Do not try to fight the spinning. Just watch it happen. Give yourself 10 uninterrupted minutes of silence. Notice how every anxious thought is just another dropped pebble. Stop throwing the pebbles. Let the heavy mud slowly sink to the bottom. Breathe steadily. Watch the water turn clear and still. This is Manasa Tapas in action. It is a physical act of returning to your core. Do this before you sleep tonight. You will realize how much power you gave away. Claim your energy back. Guard your well fiercely. You stayed because you are ready. Subscribe to continue this internal work. You do not need to buy your peace. You only need to draw from your own well. Shanti.